So I bought one more Google Wi-Fi Mesh Point for my Wi-Fi mesh system. I already have 3 ones. One in the studio, one in the living room, and one in the kitchen. But that is still not enough for me because I want to have 5 gigahertz everywhere. So I have the most speed, whatever I do, wherever I am, and so on in the house we're living in. So I bought one more, the 4th one, and this one I will use in the bedroom because the bedroom is the only place now that I don't get 5 gigahertz. I only get 2.4 gigahertz. 2.4 gigahertz is good and all, but not as fast as 5 gigahertz. So this 4th Google Wi-Fi Mesh Point will be stationed in the bedroom. So I really love the Google Wi-Fi Mesh system because they are so stable and so good and so easy to use and all that. And you have an app to see everything in and so on. So I really love the Google Wi-Fi Mesh system. It's the best thing you can buy actually if you want to have an easy setup of your network at home. Really cool. So here is the mesh point itself, as you can see. What's more in the box? You have instructions. It's very easy to set up these. Just download the app and follow the instructions. A few taps and you are good to go. And here is the power adapter. So not much to unbox either. Very Apple-like packaging actually. Here we have the power adapter, as you can see, USB Type-C, and we also have a network cable, really cool network cable actually, flat. So that's about it, what's in this box, and you know why I will use this. Because I will have 5 gigahertz in every place at my home. Okay, bye.